welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Tina John. We are in New Orleans right now to celebrate my mom's birthday, which is tomorrow, Wednesday. Her birthday is New Year's Eve, so happy birthday to my mommy in the comments. We got to our Airbnb, like I'm whispering because Miss Susan's sleeping, but we got to the Airbnb a few hours ago. Honestly, we got in, I settled, I unpacked, we went to Walmart, we got some stuff, came back, watching TV, and now I'm about to get ready for bed. But I do want to do a little quick room tour. Okay, here is our living room when you first walk in. Here is the kitchen, super cute. I do love how tall the ceilings are, that's cool. Laundry room, full bathroom. Here is my room. I literally unpacked my stuff. If you know me, you know. And then all my like technical computer things are in there. And then my mom's room, I'm not gonna go in there, but her room's down there. And then there's a bathroom in there too. Super cute, super cute. This whole house is really cute. We have a few stuff planned for while we're here. It should be fun. I did like a RSVP thing for this museum that does like what you call it, they do like tours, like liquor tours and stuff like that, so that should be fun. And then my mom has some other stuff that she wants to do. And then last time I was here, I went to this restaurant called Stuffed, right? And they make stuffed beignets and it's so good. So I really want to go there. They're closed tomorrow and today. No, they're closed tomorrow and on the 1st, but they're open again on Friday when we leave. So I was thinking maybe we could stop on the way, you know? Today we went into Walmart. I got a bunch of like decor and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is decorate like the living room and stuff for when my mom makes up. Hopefully it'll be like really cute, you know? I'm disappointed though, because in my mind, like I like to cover the floor with balloons and the ceiling, but I didn't take into consideration helium. Like I did not take into consideration the helium. Don't ask me. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm sitting here thinking like, why didn't I get some kind of balloon pumper thingy-majiggy? This is like, I just did what? It was 15 in here. I'm about to do 5. Another 15. What's that? 40. And then how many balloons is in this? Another 32. 52 balloons. I'm gonna be here forever. Okay, so much time later. I made so much progress. It's a lot under the bed too. And I started getting lightheaded, so I stopped. But there's about like 8 more left, if anything. It's not a lot, honestly. And they're all white. I wanted to not do white, but I did some of the white ones and I was like, it's not that bad. You could tell when I started to get out of breath because look at how tiny that one is.
More. It's like I woke up this morning, for some reason the first thing I opened was Facebook and I saw
She was saying happy birthday?
Yeah, she had this whole thing, happy birthday sis, I love you.
Guys, we're at the, what's the name of this house? The F.A.Q house?
I don't know. It's a place you drink liquor.
The Sazerac House.
Yes.
And they do free, it's like a museum, and they do free.
It is a museum.
It is a museum, a liquor museum, and they do free, it's a distillery, and they do free tastings. So we're here, taking it all in, and tasting. So, yeah, join us.
So she'll be drunk soon.
Maybe not. My name is Christina, and this is me before the first drink.
My name is Marcia, and this is me before the first drink. It's also my birthday, so I can get drunk. It's okay. It's acceptable.
Oh no, my name is Susan and I'm the designated driver.
Sometimes I'm Jamaican, say, we love that.
Cloves?
Oh, for our alphabet, saffron is wait. Yes, I use clove. I use clove for my mouth.
Like you put it in there?
Yeah, so after you floss, you should get some coconut oil and some cloves and you crunch it up and then you swish it around for like 5 minutes. It neutralizes all the bacteria, it kills everything, it kills all the bad bacteria. And then if you have any issues that you don't know about, it helps rectify that, and it's great for like cleansing your breath too. Oh, I like that. To your liver, they help you disperse those.
Warm
Smell like air
wood.
freshener.
Oh, star anise. Star anise.
Gentleman was known for
Did you break it? No, it's just grease.
It's green aniseed, fennel, and mugwort, whereas absinthe is going to be green aniseed, fennel, and wormwood. And that's the wormwood is pretty much what got absinthe kicked out of the club because it had 0 chill.
You know what we're looking at, right? On both of these tables?
The recipe for the drink.
No. Projection mapping.
project-
It's just interactive. I haven't learned how to make it interactive yet.
Maybe you should learn, Tina.
I honestly have no idea where to start. I'm not gonna go.
Drank a bunch of methanol with like lead and too much wormwood in it, trying to see green fairies that don't exist, you know? That was basically 1800s in a nutshell.
That's tragic.
Grab your drink.
Oh, I think, do we need to scan?
Yeah,
Oh,
so
yeah,
just go ahead
duh,
and
sorry.
like slide a lemon peel. Your exit and stuff, and like, you know, we don't want nobody to get trampled. Or like sometimes people aren't paying attention, and somebody stops, and then boom, and everybody falls, and then you have to start the new year with broken legs, and nobody wants to do that, bro.
Like you just said,
Nobody
don't
wants to
stop
start
at the stairs and they
2026
stop
walking
at
on
the
sticks.
6-year-old Sazerac rye whiskey.
6-year-old Sazerac rice. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh no, seriously, this will get you drunk just smelling it.
What?
I gotta put my nose over there.
I like that.
It'll clean out the sun.
It will.
That don't smell good.
It smells good. It smells like whiskey.
Look, like my turn.
It smells like I'm about to relax on a Sunday evening. That smells
It
good.
here smell like baby
That
food.
does smell good.
It does, yeah. Girl, you can lay down and watch a nice movie. And
Warms the soul.
yes, that's what it is.
I'm not gonna lie. After going back, it does smell like a nice base note for a fragrance.
Oh Lord.
It does smell like a nice.
Love that.
Fragrance, no fragrance.
Thank you for welcoming. You too. Thank you.
Oh, now it's
Hi. Good. How are you?
It's still, so before transferring it, after we transfer it, then we clean the lines with water and the extra water is drained outside.
Wow. Those are gonna sit somewhere for 6 years.
And it's like for 6 years.
Can I draw a heart on one?
Yeah, do you have a pen?
No.
I do. Whoever gets it in Kentucky will feel crazy. Well, God is great. He might be mad if he's atheist.
I'm dead.
Right, Jimmy? Let's get some atheist mad right now. What's in these little
Cute. Thank you.
Coming 2031, 31st of December 2031, and this bill will be bottled
In here?
in here.
Okay.
31?
How they ship it back or they ship the bottle?
They'll ship the barrel. So this is its serial number.
Okay. So this is like I'm putting all my love and good energy and juju into this. Everyone that gets a bottle, it'll be great. Thank you. I love the diversity. Like, I'm here for it.
What's going on? I'm Troy.
Hey y'all, it's 9:04, 3 hours until 2, 3, whatever, hours into the new year. I am currently downtown. We're like 200 meters away from Bourbon Street. We're trying to figure out this parking situation now. I am in my little coat because it's freezing and I have on stockings. I have a yo, it's so cool. I have a blanket too. Just put on a little makeup, showered, and touched up my hair a little bit to be outside. I'm not gonna hold you. I want to go to bed.
Why is the police smoking a cigar? You see how the army men are here protecting, but the cops.
Camera is so cute.
Thank you. G7X, yeah.
I'm jealous.
Oh my God.
We're at Jean Lafitte. What is it? Jean Lafitte Swamp Tour. We're about to go on the plane. On the plane? We're about to go on the boat. Y'all, I'm rushing per usual, but just got glam. Here is the hair, the outfits, bag, and makeup.
My thoughts are this is amazing. The wine is delicious, the company is fabulous, and God is great.
Gray, purple, and blue. Soon I'm wishing I was there. Do you know what it means to miss New Orleans? That's
Because it looks gross.
There's no flavor.
Salt good.
Several places that have Army Thursday.
Oh, today's Thursday, right? That sounds good. What are your thoughts, Miss John?
I am the captain of the ship, and I'm taking everyone out on a wonderful, beautiful cruise.
And you look fabulous.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel about the new year? What do you hope this year brings for you?
What do I hope this year brings for me? More money.
That's it?
No. Clarity. I feel like last year I got like the guide or the blueprint to get more clarity, and I feel like next year it's gonna start like happening. So yeah, I want to be like super content and happy in all areas of my life and everything I do, and I want to motivate those around me. to be better people, not for me, but for Jesus. Amen. We are back downtown. It is what? It's pretty early. Well, it's a little later than I thought. It's 10:15 right now. And we are back downtown in the French Quarter on Bourbon Street. My mom found this place that she wanted to go to, so we're gonna go there. But we were walking past this like karaoke bar that we came into last night. It was really fun, so we decided to stop. And I just came in the bathroom. I did some silver on my eyes, obviously trying to be cute. I don't know if I like it. The problem is I'm not used to seeing myself with makeup on like every day, like how I used to a few years ago. So now whenever I put on like a full face of makeup, I be feeling crazy. I don't know. I mean, I look great, but I just don't feel like me, you know?
She walked away. She was mortified. But it was fucking hilarious.
How did O'Neill take it?
He was bad.
He was?
Funny.
What state has the smallest drink?
Minnesota.
Yeah,
Yes.
Minnesota. What would Marcia's theme song be? I don't know why I'm thinking of SpongeBob. The SpongeBob Super Bowl song. I don't know why, but that's just what's in my head right now.
Sweet victory.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet victory.
I don't know. I don't know why, but that's what's in my head right now.
I'm going in.
It's good. It's mad saucy.
Yeah, this has more flavor.
Then the
This
Philly
steak and
cheesesteak
cheese.
one?
Yeah. Did you want your fork?
That's yours. I have one.
Okay.
Good.
The Creole Queen is where it's at.
I do have half of mine if you want.